Tanya, let's go. အခုကျွန်တော်တို့က monkey forest ရောက်နေရယ်နော် monkey forest let's go. Look at these. ဒါမလုံးနဲ့နော် don't do this and you will be safe. Let's go. တဲ့ရှာနေဘူးရ All right, let's go. အဆင်ပြေနော်အဆင်ပြေနော် So for a foreigner, if you're coming from out of country, that would be $100,000 rupiah. Is it about $8? Okay, 10. What is something? What is it? Red. Oh, bat. Yeah. So now we're at the monkey forest. Meow de xie do no? Meow yong. They're all running around here, so you got to be careful. Don't touch them, don't feed them, don't look at them, and then you will be safe. No feeding, nothing, all right? Okay, đó. Meow de xie monkey forest, Bali, Ubud, the kugu ahoba, eh? ဒီမြောက်တွေကိုအစားတော့မကျွေးပါနဲ့မထိပါနဲ့တို့မကြည့်ပါနဲ့အနီးနားမတွားပါနဲ့အဲဆိုရင်တော့ you will be safe. Monkey temple. Oh shit, they're up there. If you get lost, come look at this. All right. We have directions. Over the monkey forest. Oh no.
Воспитательный процесс.
See, I'm cut though. Ooh.
辛苦啊，苦。
Буде мою, Аня. One side no mai long. Long ấy. Everything is closed for now. I'm going to pay high tourism with that. I don't know why. Okay, đó monkey forest ရောက်နေတာပါအရန်အိုက်တယ်မျက်နှာတော့ sunscreen လိမ့်ထားလို့ပြတလဲဖြစ်နေလောက်ပြီ monkey forest ဖြစ်ပါတယ် I believe this is a cemetery for monkey kings and queens I believe. Yeah, you can look at the names here to all the way there.